Insulation materials. Why do we insulate our houses against noise, heat, and coldness? Where do we insulate against heat or cold? In this unit, you will find basic information about insulation against heat and noise, and specific details about the external thermal insulation composite system, a modern way to insulate houses against cold and heat. Insulation of a building, general. A house should protect its inhabitants against influences from the outside, like weather conditions, with huge variations in temperature, wind, rain, snow, and hail. But additionally, noise from the outside is also cut back. Thus, the inhabitants of a building can lead a comfortable and healthy life. An apartment can become the source of illness and disease if it is too cold or humid, and mold has infested it. Furthermore, a building might become a trap in case of fire if you can't escape fast enough. Insulation against heat. An apartment or house is only comfortable if its temperature is in a comfortable range. In living rooms, that is a temperature of around 20 degrees. In bedrooms, around 16 degrees. You may perceive a sufficiently heated room as too cold when the walls or windows are too cold. To use the heat energy in a house efficiently, you have to take a close look at all parts of the building. In Germany, the efficiency or heat energy in newly built houses and rented apartments has to be documented in an energy pass according to the Energy Saving Ordinance. External Thermal Insulation Composite System, ETICS, EIFS. Modern, high-quality external thermal insulation composite systems require the use of polymeric binders that enhance the adhesive and reinforcing mortars in exterior insulation and finish systems. They are designed to selectively modify the properties of the mortar and the whole system. They are flexible enough to accommodate differing expansion coefficients of the materials used, and they offer optimal shelf life and durability. Since EIFSs are constantly exposed to the weather, effective protection against water is essential. As all components of the external thermal insulation composite system have to be well matched, it is advisable to choose products from only one manufacturer. Organic systems consist of synthetic material. Mineral systems mainly of cement and chalk. Mineral systems have the advantage that they are not inflammable. What is sound? Sound waves are produced by sources such as vocal cords and can oscillate through air, water, and solid materials. Perception of sound. Humans perceive sound with their eardrums. Too much noise can cause hearing damage. Constant noise, for example from road traffic or airplanes, can lead to heart problems and insomnia. Noise reduction measures. Noise protection walls are built alongside roads, motorways, or railway lines. Trees also reduce noise. Noise protection in buildings. Noise insulation. When someone uses the toilet, when children shout, when people walk through rooms or dogs bark, there is noise which disturbs other people in the house. Missing noise insulation is usually the reason for these disturbances. We have to differentiate between airborne sound, for example noise coming from shouting children or traffic noise, and structure-borne sound, which might come from flushing toilets or walking on hard surfaces. Noise absorption. Reverberation and echo can be reduced by using sound-absorbing materials such as carpets, curtains, noise reduction ceilings, and noise protection walls. Footsteps sound insulation. Wood fiber or cork insulating plates are installed below the floor. The floor itself must not have any contact to the walls, because then there would be an acoustic bridge which transports the sound to other parts of the building. Why and how do we insulate our houses against noise, heat, and coldness? More information about the external thermal insulation composite system in Part 2.